I've been using the DraftKings app for fantasy picks and sports betting, but recently it just wouldn't load, stuck on the logo screen or crashing before it opened. If you're seeing the same issue, here's what worked for me without even needing to dig into the app settings. Start by checking whether the DraftKings servers are down. It's more common than you think, especially during big games or betting rush hours. Go to your browser and type DraftKings server status, or head over to downdetector.com and search for DraftKings. If you see a spike in user reports, chances are the issue is on their end, not your device. In that case, there's no point trying to fix it manually. Just give it some time, then try again later. While the app is down, you can still access most of what you need by switching to the DraftKings website. Open your phone or desktop browser and go to DraftKings.com. You can log in, place bets, view contests, and manage your account directly from the site. No app required. The mobile site is smooth and works well as a temporary backup when the app itself won't cooperate. So even if the DraftKings app is acting up, you've still got options to stay in the game. If this helped, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more quick fixes, and check the description for links and updates. Thanks for watching.